Hi, welcome back to the assignment An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, assignment 7, and the last date to submit is 13/3. Now today it is 11. We have only 2 more days to submit the assignment. Which of the following is the components of knowledge representation? Syntax, semantics, inference procedure, knowledge base. Choose the correct statements. A sentence S is unsatisfiable if it is false in some words. A sentence S is valid if it is true in all words. Choose the correct CNF for the following expression, that is option E. Which of the following steps are used in a DPLL algorithm? First and last steps are used. What is the number of incorrect statements among the following? Only 2 statements are incorrect. And which of the following, they have given some clauses, remaining clauses. What is the number of remaining clauses? That is 7. And give the following set of classes, and which of the following classes can be derived by a resolution using the given. So other than empty, everything can be derived. Given the following Boolean expression, and how many are the following inferred, we can apply the following chaining based modulus ponens rule. 2, 3, 4. So ninth question, which statements about ontological and epistemological characteristics FOL? And this is B and D are the options. Which of the following statements about walk-set algorithm is correct? The first and last statements. Now you can submit your answers. And once the answers are submitted, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment box. Subscribe the channel. Let's meet in the next assignment. Thank you.